You are not paying for a premium service. You are paying a ransom. A decade ago, technology removed friction. Today, friction is the product. Apps are deliberately engineered to be annoying, slow, and loud. Why? Because they know you will gladly pay $8 a month just for the privilege of silence. They manufacture the pain just to sell you the painkiller. But the digital world wasn't enough. Now, they are coming for your physical property. Imagine buying a $40,000 car. The hardware for heated seats is already inside. You own it. But the manufacturer puts a software lock on it, demanding a monthly subscription to turn on a piece of metal you already bought. It is a toll booth inside your own car. So, how do you escape? Stop paying the ransom. Do the hostage audit. Cancel every convenience subscription. Let the ads play. Bring a sweater. Build a tolerance to their manufactured annoyance. The moment you stop fearing the friction, they lose their power. Stop buying your own silence. Think about the apps you rely on every single day. Years ago, they were flawless. They were fast, clean, and free. They hooked you. But once you were locked inside their ecosystem, the downgrade began. This isn't a glitch. It is a calculated business model. There are entire floors of executives whose only job is to engineer the exact breaking point of your patience. They measure exactly how many unskippable ads it takes before you close the screen in a rage. They calculate the exact amount of visual garbage needed to make you surrender your credit card. You are not buying a premium experience. You are paying a protection fee to the digital mafia. Nice attention span you've got there. It'd be a shame if someone interrupted it. And it is spreading like a virus. It started with software. Then it infected your car. Now, it is creeping into your home, your smart TV. It tracks your habits to serve you ads on a screen you already own. Your front door camera, it locks your own security footage behind a paywall. They are systematically stripping away your ownership, converting your daily existence into a never-ending series of microtransactions. An $8 leak here, a $15 toll there, until your bank account is nothing but a host for corporate parasites. But the most terrifying part isn't what they are taking from you. It is what happens when you finally try to stop them. Because the moment you try to cancel it all, you realize the trap is much deadlier than you thought. So, how do you escape the digital mafia? You stop paying the ransom. Welcome to the 30-Day Friction Challenge. Starting tomorrow morning, cancel all of it. Every single convenience subscription. Does a platform want to force feed you to unskippable ads about crypto? Great. Take a deep breath. Stare blankly at the screen. Assert dominance. Did your car manufacturer lock your heated seats behind a $15 paywall? Put on a sweater. You're a grown adult with a shred of common sense, not a reptile that needs to park its butt on a hot rock. And frankly, that can't be doing your more delicate bits any favor. For 30 days, embrace the manufactured annoyance. Let the apps load slower. Wait the extra 10 seconds. At first, your dopamine-starved brain will panic. You will feel like a caveman discovering fire. But then, the magic happens. You realize the inconvenience won't actually kill you. The friction is just a pathetic illusion. And the moment you stop fearing a 10-second delay, they lose all their power. Keep your $8. Buy a ridiculously thick sweater instead. Stop funding your own hostage situation.